Are you interested in starting a Shopify dropshipping business but unsure where to start? This blog post is for you. Dropshipping is the perfect business model for new e-commerce entrepreneurs. It's simple to set up and manage and doesn't require a significant upfront investment. You can also run your dropshipping business in your spare time. You don't need to quit your job to start a successful store. Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about Shopify, what is dropshipping. To cut further ado, let's get started. Shopify, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without carrying any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier who will ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping is the perfect business model for new e-commerce entrepreneurs. It's simple to set up and manage and doesn't require a significant upfront investment. You can also run your dropshipping business in your spare time. You don't need to quit your job to start a successful store. How does Shopify dropshipping work? Now that you know the basics of dropshipping, let's look at how it works on Shopify. When you create a Shopify store, you'll be able to choose from over 100 professional themes. Once you've found a theme you like, you can add your products and start selling. When a customer places an order in your store, you simply contact the supplier and give them the customer's shipping information. The supplier will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. And that's it! You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. How much does Shopify cost? Shopify has 4 different pricing plans. Basic Shopify, $29 per month. Shopify, $79 per month. Advanced Shopify, $299 per month. Shopify Plus, custom pricing. In this video, Shopify, what is dropshipping, we will also talk about the benefits of Shopify dropshipping. There are many benefits of dropshipping on Shopify. First, it's effortless to set up and manage. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. The supplier will take care of everything for you. Second, it's a great way to test new products without making a significant upfront investment. You can add and remove products from your store quickly and easily, so you can always keep your store fresh and up to date. Third, you can run your business in your spare time. You don't need to quit your job to start a successful store. Fourth, Shopify offers excellent 24/7 customer support. If you have any questions or need help, you can always contact the Shopify team. Fifth, Shopify is highly scalable. As your business grows, you can upgrade your Shopify plan and add more features and employees. This makes it easy to grow your business without any significant disruptions. And finally, there are no limits to what you can sell. You can sell products from all over the world and there are no restrictions on the type of products you can sell. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. What are the risks of Shopify dropshipping? While there are many benefits to dropshipping on Shopify, there are also some risks. First, because you don't carry any inventory, you have no control over the quality of the products you sell. If a supplier ships you a defective product, it's up to you to resolve the issue with the customer. Second, because you don't control the shipping process, there's always the risk of shipping delays. If a customer orders a product from your store and the supplier takes 2 weeks to ship it, the customer may become impatient and cancel the order. Third, because you rely on suppliers to ship products to your customers, you must carefully vet any supplier before you start doing business with them. Ensure you know their shipping times, return policy, and quality control procedures. Another downside to dropshipping is that it can be challenging to scale your business. As your business grows, you'll need to find new suppliers and manage more inventory. This can be a challenge for people who are just starting. And finally, because the margins in the dropshipping business are shallow, it's essential to manage your marketing and advertising costs carefully. If you spend too much on marketing and advertising, you may not be able to make a profit. Despite these risks, dropshipping is a great way to start an e-commerce business. With careful planning and execution, you can build a successful store. How to find dropshipping suppliers? There are many ways to find dropshipping suppliers. You can attend trade shows, online search directories, or contact manufacturers directly. The best way to find dropshipping suppliers is to use a dropshipping directly like Oberlo. Oberlo is a marketplace that connects Shopify merchants with suppliers willing to dropship their products. What is Oberlo? Oberlo is a dropshipping directory connecting Shopify merchants with suppliers willing to dropship their products. With Oberlo, you can find suppliers who offer high-quality products and competitive pricing. You can also use Oberlo to automate your dropshipping business, from product sourcing to order fulfillment. How to make money with Shopify dropshipping? There are many ways to make money with Shopify dropshipping. The most common way is to sell products at a higher price than what you paid. For example, if you buy a product from a supplier for $10 and sell it in your store for $20, you'll make a $10 profit on each sale. Another way to make money with Shopify dropshipping is to offer products that are not available in the market. You can find exclusive products that are only available through dropshippers. By providing these products in your store, you'll be able to charge a higher price and make more profit. You can also make money by selling products that are in high demand. By offering products in tall order, you'll be able to sell more products and make more money. Finally, you can also make money by offering products that are unique and hard to find. By providing these products, you'll be able to charge a higher price and make more profit. Shopify dropshipping tips. Here are some tips that will help you succeed with Shopify dropshipping. First and foremost, I mentioned at the start of our video, choose the right niche. When choosing a niche for your store, make sure it's something you're passionate about. This will make it easier for you to market your store and sell products. Second, find a supplier you can trust. When you're looking for suppliers, make sure you find ones that offer high-quality products and competitive pricing. You should also ensure they have a good return policy and shipping times. Third, don't rely on one supplier. Having multiple suppliers to keep your store stocked with products is essential. This will also help you get the best prices for your products. Fourth, promote your store. There are many ways to promote your stores, such as through social media, online advertising, and email marketing. Ensure you're promoting your store regularly to attract new customers. Lastly, provide excellent customer service. Excellent customer service is essential for any business, but it's vital in the dropshipping business. This is because you're dealing with customers ordering products sight unseen. Make sure you go above and beyond for your customers so they'll order from you again in the future. Dropshipping can be a great way to start your own business with little upfront investment. And we hope this video Shopify What is Dropshipping has helped you understand what and how it works. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.